what is going to be limit x sine 1 by x? You need to give me the answer to this question. Limit x into sine 1 by x will be. I am giving you a moment, try to do this yourself, then I will do this. X sine 1 by x. I am waiting for your answer. Please remember that the rule that we have with sine is not with sine 1 by x, beta. It is with sine x. But I am here asking what will be x sine 1 by x, not sine x by x. Try to think about it. Okay, anyone else? Any idea whether it should be 1, minus 1, 0 or minus infinity? Let's try this. So what I am doing here is I am trying to do a bit of substitution, Sorry. So what I have done here is I have taken let x is equal to 1 by y. Let x is equal to 1 by y. So beta, if x is 1 by y, when that means y is 1 by x, right? That means when x tends to infinity, then 1 by infinity means 0. So y will go towards 0. So I am saying when x tends to infinity, y tends to 0. Y goes to 0 when x goes to infinity. So beta, now I have replaced it. Instead of x going to infinity, I have written y going towards 0. Instead of 1 by x, I have written y. And instead of x, I have written 1 by y. ध्यान से समझना है, रूल इसके लिए है, साइन x by x के लिए. साइन 1 by x के लिए रूल नहीं था directly that it will be 1. No, we don't know anything about it, na? So what happened here? But we know that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, this is 1. But हमें क्वेश्चन में दूसरी चीज पूछी गई है, x is going towards infinity, right? And I have 1 by x there, right? So I do a bit of manipulation. I say that okay, let y be 1 by x. So if x goes to infinity, then y will go to 1 by infinity, that means 0. So now I have been able to convert this, that when x goes to infinity, y must have been going to 0. And if y is 1 by x must have been 1 by y. So instead of x, I just go ahead and write 1 by y. And instead of 1 by x, I just write y. Now I have got this form, that y is going towards 0 and this is sin y by y. So this should simply be 1. So the correct answer to this is 1, that this goes towards 1. Is that clear? Everyone, are you able to understand this? Okay. Come to the next question. Again, try to solve this yourself and then I will do it. It's a pretty easy question. The value of k such that limit exists everywhere is. So take a moment, try to solve this question yourself, beta. What should be the value of k such that the limit exists everywhere? Please try to do this. So when limit exists, just use the rule that the left hand side and the right hand side should be the same. Left hand limit and right hand limit should give you the same answer. I can only check my limit at 2. Try to do that. Tell me what the answer should be. Okay. So when I approach my function from anything less than 2, the function I am using is 2x plus 3. तो इसमें 2 डाल के देखते हैं what will come. So when I put, let me zoom this away. Okay, beta. So start. When I approach my function from anything less than 2, then my function that I have is 2x plus 3. So what happens when I go ahead and I put it from this side? Beta, 2x plus 3. I am putting x as 2, so I will get 2 into 2 plus 3. So it will be 4 plus 3, that means 7. When I put 2 in this side of the function, because left hand and right hand have to be equal, what will I get? Instead of x, put 2, 2 plus k. For the limit to exist, your values from left hand side and right hand side should be equal. That means if one is giving me 7, the other should also give me 7. So 2 plus k should be equal to 7. So k should be equal to 5. So the correct answer to this question is 5. That limit will exist only when the left hand side and the right hand side are equal to each